We are diving into the stunning world of Assassin's Creed Mirage, the latest installment in the iconic franchise. Costing just £30, this game promises an unforgettable journey through history. So let's jump right in. Firstly, we pull this out of its wrapping, but we will not reveal the insides because it has a redemption code, but the CD is in there. Visually, Assassin's Creed Mirage is an absolute powerhouse. The graphics are jaw-dropping with detailed character models, lush environments and a seamless blend of historical accuracy and imaginative design. The PS5's enhanced capabilities truly shine here, delivering a level of immersion that is unprecedented. Whilst taking on either the main mission or one of the many side missions that can be found, you will have access to a wide array of tools to help ensure your mission goes as smooth as possible. Whilst a few of these tools have been seen before in previous games, your character also has a few brand new tricks up his sleeve. The most powerful new addition is the detection mine, a weapon that can be used either offensively or defensively depending on your situation. Once a guard approaches the mine, a cloud of smoke will obscure their vision and send them to the floor. So it's undoubtedly going to be a must-have tool for the tricky assassination targets when the player needs a quick way to escape. In the last few RPG-centered Assassin's Creed games, there has been a much tighter focus on the combat, which forced players to attack an enemy while also executing successful parries and blocks multiple times before they finally become staggered. Once staggered, the enemy could be killed with a final blow, but this did involve a lot of button mashing to even reach this point. In the latest game, the stagger meter is actually much easier to deplete, only requiring one successful parry until the prompt to instantly kill pops up. Therefore, it is much faster to eliminate enemies in open combat, which allows players to get back into the stealth gameplay as quickly as possible. Leap of Faith acts as a great way to escape and evade pursuing guards, since the player's leap will always be cushioned by a conveniently placed haystack, but this classic mechanic has actually been made a lot more unreliable thanks to the introduction of spearmen. Every so often, the spearmen who are on patrol will poke a haystack if they are near it, which will immediately cause your character to leap out if he is already inside. This added feature makes a big difference in how the stealth works, specifically because it forces players to reconsider the best ways to hide rather than always resorting to the haystack for each one of their missions. The parkour has clearly been accelerated, with the character almost seeming like he might have a hook blade up his sleeve with how fast he is able to scale a building. Whilst there are a few rivers and canals which separate many of the streets, you will now be able to cross these gaps in little to no time by using a pole to vault over these bridges. This ensures that the player always has a way to move forward, keeping the movement fluid and fun. And there are even a few fan favorite animations from past titles that have made a return. When analyzing a few enemies at once with the eagle vision, you will be able to mark several of them at a time to initiate a brand new assassination technique. Once each enemy is marked, you will teleport between them, killing them off silently one after the other in quick succession. Considering how grounded and immersive of a game Mirage is trying to be, this strange ability was definitely the biggest announcement that surprised fans the most, but it's very hard to argue that it doesn't grant the player so much more freedom in their assassination strategies, especially since it seems like it will also be upgradable. All in all, Assassin's Creed Mirage is a triumph for the franchise and a must-play for any fan of the series. With its stunning visuals, engaging gameplay, captivating story and seamless integration of historical periods, it truly demonstrates the power of the PlayStation 5. Ubisoft has once again delivered an exceptional gaming experience that will keep players hooked for hours on end. This is the Unboxing Beard, and we just unboxed Assassin's Creed Mirage.